In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new customer to your sales database. This process is simple and efficient, ensuring your customer records are always up to date. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, we'll begin by navigating to the sales section of your application. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard, organized under functional categories related to sales operations. As you click on sales, a drop-down menu or different options might appear, indicating various sections and functionalities available for handling sales-related tasks. Within the sales section, you'll find an option labeled Customers. Clicking on this will take you to your customer management area. Here, you'll typically see a list of all existing customers complete with their details such as names, contact information, and any other relevant data. This is a great place to not only add new customers, but also to manage and view interactions with existing ones. Now that we're in the customer management area, let's move on to adding a new customer. In the customers section, look for the button or link that says New Customer. This option is usually prominently displayed, designed for easy access since adding new contacts is a frequent task in customer relationship management. Clicking New Customer will open up a new form where you'll enter the details of the new customer you wish to add. At this point, it's crucial to gather and input accurate information. Typically, you'll need to fill out fields such as the customer's name, address, phone number, email, and any other additional information your system requires. Remember, the quality and completeness of the data entered here can significantly impact future communications and interactions you will have with this customer, so take your time and double-check the details for accuracy. Once you've entered all the necessary information, look for the Save button. Clicking this will ensure the new customer details are securely stored in your system. Upon saving, your new customer should appear in the customer list, confirming that the addition has been successful. This step concludes the process of adding a new customer, yet it's wise to revisit this entry occasionally to ensure all details stay current, reflecting any changes in customer information over time. And there you have it, a straightforward process of adding a new customer to your sales database. This task is vital for maintaining organized and updated records, promoting better customer service, and ultimately aiding in building strong relationships with your clientele. With these steps, you're well equipped to handle your customer records efficiently. Thank you for following along, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a quick refresher.